Mr. Richard from New Hampshire called me. I have 2 dogs and a beautiful Oriental rug. Like many other people in the United States, Mr. Richard have a problem that every one of us facing. You're having a dog, you're having a cat. One day you realize that your pet's urinating on the Oriental rug. So you go to the store and you buy a cleaning product, whatever the salesman recommended to you. And you believe that it's going to dissolve the problem. The reality is different. All the cleaning product in the market, without any exception, contain detergent. Why? Because the enzyme have to be break down with a detergent. Then it's going to work, maybe. So when you apply the detergent, the soap, the enzyme on the pee-pee, by the time, again and again and again, several times, you realize then the area where is the pet accident become stiff as a cardboard. How you can soften this area? Very difficult, because the urine and all the cleaning product laid deep inside the foundation of the rug, where is all the wool tied with the cotton. The combination of the urine, cotton, wool, all of them together in the base of the rug will lead to a cardboard, and you will hate your rug because it is not soft anymore and it releases unpleasant odor. We at PetPeePee develop a cleaning process. A cleaning process that's different than anybody else. We don't use no soap, no detergent, only natural, the Dead Sea cleaner. The PetPeePee machine vacuum through the rug, pull everything, all the Dead Sea cleaner from the top through the rug, flush out all the soap, detergent, the chemicals, and the pee-pee. This is how we get rid of the stickness, the hard piece in the rug, and the urine odor. This is our specialties. We guarantee in writing total odor removal and more, because we never use a scrubber. We guarantee the color will never run. This is what makes PetPeePee different from the rest. Please visit PetPeePee Google review and see for yourself what our customers said about our cleaning process. The tube take a big role in the cleaning process. In the beginning, it's yellow mustard. And then when the cleaning process progresses, the tube become lighter and lighter color till it's clean. The same water coming from the top, the same water going through the rug. It's telling me your Oriental rug is perfectly clean. I inspect it in a special way, the tube, and then I put the rug to dry. Would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? Call PetPeePee today. The phone number below. Thank you very much, Mayor Martin, the owner of PetPeePee Company. Thank you for watching.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.